Okay, welcome back. If you are an insurance firm struggling to break out of the noise, you've got a lot of other competition in your niche that you just struggle to generate customers for, you are competing against some seriously big players in the game, and you are struggling to position yourself as slightly different to be able to generate customers affordably, to generate leads and people that come through to your business efficiently at scale, then this video is for you. So quick introduction, just so we can dive into this. My name is Brandon. I own a marketing agency where we help insurance firms get more policies, more customers, more people coming directly to their business, so their staff members have an easier time selling, have an easier time converting, and just overall a very pleasurable experience generating customers. So it's my LinkedIn, feel free to check it out. This is my website, feel free to check it out. It'll be in the first link of the description. We've helped some seriously big firms hit some very impressive numbers. And if you want to get in the mix, you want your insurance firm to do the same thing, then check it out. If not, no problem. Watch this video anyway, it will help you out. So exactly what is it that you can provide? So a lot of the biggest problem is that people don't have something that sets them apart, and they advertise or they basically position themselves as the same as every other insurance company out there. The biggest problem with this is your customer just sees you as the same as insurance company 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300, all the other ones providing the same thing. So the solution to this is an offer. Okay, now it's really key because a lot of people think an offer is one thing, but really it's something completely different. So let's jump into this. An offer is not your service, and this is one of the most popular problems that I see. An offer is not your service. So your service, your customer service, your attention to detail that you give clients, your friendly staff, your tailored cover that you provide is not what you offer. Now, if you think about this, if you are advertising, you're putting testimonials up, you're putting some sort of content out on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, maybe you're running Google ads and stuff like that. By putting that you have good customer service, you have attention to details, you have friendly staff, you have tailored cover, if you think about it, you're just wasting your breath in a way, because no company, even insurance company or any company out there, is going to advertise or position them business as, we have terrible customer service, people hate us, our service is really bad, we never answer the phone, we don't reply to emails, and everybody that speaks to us just says bad things about us. Okay, nobody is going to position their business that way. So every single business is going to position their business as great customer service, really good products, really good attention to detail, because that's just a standard thing. Like, that should just be a given. If you're in business, that should just be an absolute given. Okay, so your offer is not your service. Okay, so what is an offer? Okay, so for myself, an offer is some form of solution or incentive product positioning. Okay, so basically an offer incentivizes the potential customer and positions you as the only or best solution to buy from. And the best way for me to be able to position that is just to show you some really big insurance firms that have got good offers, and they do it at extreme scale. So if you're in the UK, you're going to know about these companies: Confused.com, Go Compare, Money Supermarket. All three of those, some of the biggest comparison and aggregator firms. And this isn't just for buy online, e-commerce, aggregator firms. This can be used for small call centers, small firms in very niche positions. And I'll explain an offer that we've implemented for one of our clients in a very small niche, and they have been able to significantly reduce their cost per lead by doing this. So if we just show you some of the biggest firms, because this just goes to show that offers work, because some of the three biggest aggregator firms, some of the biggest insurance firms with the highest amount of traffic have offers in place. So if you don't have offers in place, then you're falling behind. Confused.com has an offer right here. Choose a free reward when you buy car insurance with Confused.com. This is an offer. This is an incentivized product that makes you choose them over their competition. Okay, choose a free reward when you buy car insurance from Confused.com. So this is an offer that incentivizes you. If you have a price that is identical across three different aggregator firms, then this will incentivize you to buy over the other ones. Okay, and if you look about Go Compare, their offer is compare car insurance and get free 250 excess cover, meaning that they will refund £250 towards your excess fee for car insurance purchased through them. Okay, another offer, another incentive that if you've got a £300 excess, a £250 excess with an insurer that you buy your car insurance from, then technically you've got a £0 excess. This is another incentivized. If you make a claim, then technically you're going to save £250 towards what you have to expend out. This is a really good offer, and this is something that they plaster all over their marketing. And then look, Money Supermarket has another offer as well. Found the same deal for less. Will not only price match, but also give you a choice of a £20 gift card, which means if you're going to spend £350 on your car insurance and they offer £360, they're going to price match the £350 and give you a £20 gift card. So you're going to pay £20 less than the overall what you could have got for another company. So this is a super save price match. Obviously their whole business is based around, their super save, right? And then you've got other companies, you've got like your Meerkat Movies and stuff like that. All of these are slight offers. Now, you don't have to provide offers the same as them and provide them gift cards because you may not have that facility. And again, this is mass market stuff, so their offer has to be congruent to mass market. But your offer doesn't need to be that. So how do we design an offer? So let's just look, how do we build an offer? Okay, how do we build an offer? And how do we position our business as different to all the other insurance companies offering the same thing as us? Okay, so we've now identified that it's not the customer service that you provide, and it's more around the solution and the incentivized way that you can position this. So how to build an offer, and the best way for us to be able to actually position this for insurance companies that don't do mass market stuff. So if you're not selling hundreds of thousands of policies per month and you haven't got millions and millions of website visits, your best option isn't going to be to position how they have, but it's actually going to be positioned slightly differently. So the first thing is to position yourself as one, what the customer wants. So do they want to save time? Do they want to save money? Are they looking for ease of use? So maybe something that your offering is you can do it buy online, but all the other insurance companies you can't buy online. Or is your process just 10 times faster than somebody else's process to get a quote? Can you do a quote in 1 page where somebody else will have to do a quote in 10 pages? Or do you just provide better features? Is your policy superior to everyone else's? You've got like a one-stop shop policy features where all these other insurance companies have potentially not as many features as you. So understand what the client wants, what the customer wants, and then you basically times that by the reason to take action now. Why should somebody actually be buying from you, speak to you, fill out the quote form, call the business? And this may be, you can provide a money back guarantee. So a price match. So look, if you find better, we'll give you money back. If you find better with these terms, then we'll price match you completely and provide X on return. So it's a little bit like the Money Supermarket. Or is it a features match? So if you find something with a better features than us, we'll price match and match the features. There's so many different things that you can do, and this is just an idea. There isn't a one fix for everything because every business is different, every insurance firm is different, everything that they can provide, the compliance, all of this is slightly different to what they can provide. But this will give you an idea of just some different ways that you can position your business. So I'll explain just quickly one of the clients that we implemented an offer for. And like I said, we have significantly reduced their cost per acquisition, their cost per lead, and just the attention they get. They've got massive competition. And prior to having this offer in place, many people didn't click on their ads. Some people just scrolled past their ads, and it just didn't position themselves well enough across the big competition that they have. So this is a buy online company. You can buy online, get quotes online. They've got a call center as well. And the offer that we implemented to them is 2 minutes to get a quote. And we guarantee the lowest price or your money back. Meaning that if you take action now, you're going to get a price within 2 minutes of filling our quote forms out. And if you've purchased something else elsewhere, or if this price is more expensive than what you can find elsewhere, if you feel free to do as much shopping around as you want, we will give your money back. Obviously, there's an asterisk, there's things behind it, there's certain time frames and stuff that it has to be achieved in, but all of this stuff can be added to the website. So this one-liner, 2 minutes to get a quote, we guarantee the lowest price or your money back, is an extreme incentive for anyone who lands onto the website, sees an advertisement, sees an email, sees a text message, sees a LinkedIn post from this business. And if you are that type of customer for what they offer, you're going to think, you know what, actually, yeah, that's worth it. It's not going to take me very long, and I'm guaranteed to get the cheapest price. And if I want to do some shopping around elsewhere, then happy days. The company's willing to put their money where their mouth is. So again, feel free to use that. Go ahead, use that for your business, and I guarantee you will improve cost per acquisition, lower at lead spend, and also just an easier way of selling, and people are actually going to want to speak to you. But again, feel free to do your own thing, change your own thing, give it a go. Guarantee you, if you're in a competitive niche, if you're struggling to get people to convert, people are just coming to the website, really not interested, and you're just struggling to convert people, you're making a load of quotes, but just nobody's going ahead, then adding in something like this is going to improve every single metric that you can see as far as sales. Cool. Really appreciate you watching this video. If you're looking for more leads, more customers, more people coming direct without lead providers, we're not a lead provider, then check out the first links in the description. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below. Do all the good YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, all that awesome stuff. And subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you watching the video. Thanks for watching.